How to find your user ID in Archero 2. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. Your user ID, or also known as your player ID in Archero 2, is useful when contacting customer support, recovering your account, or reporting an issue. To find it, open up the Archero 2 game on your Android or your iOS device and make sure that you're inside this main home page. Here, go ahead and tap on the menu icon at the top left, this one over here. And from the expanded menu, click on Settings. Inside Settings, you'll see your user ID at the top. If you tap on the user ID, you will be able to copy it in your device's clipboard. Now you can also write it down or paste it in a secure area or take a screenshot of this page so that you can use it and easily access it later. And there you go. It can be very helpful if you ever need to contact support or want to recover your account once you have the user ID. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.